Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm super glad to see you here today. Hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I've got my Ipsy Glam bag. That's my thumbnail. Let's get in here. It's chock full of stuff. Raw. Oh, my. The first thing I see is a mini Glow Recipe Guava Vitamin C Bright. No. Did I add this on? Is this full size? I think this is full size. Did I add this on? Let's take a look at it. This is an eye gel. I think this is full size. I know that did not come as a glam bag. I think I got that as an add-on, but that's very nice. Now we have a bag full of stuff and a card. And it says, "Find your groove. Grooves in the heart." This is an add-on. It tells me what's in my bag and tells me the value of what the things are, so I will add that up so we can see what the running total is. Yeah, this is super good. We love it. But this bag is super fun and cute, and I love the little tassel. So we're gonna unzip it. First thing we see is from Pacifica Stellar Gaze Lengthening and Strengthening Mineral Mascara from Pacifica. 100% vegan and cruelty free. And this is a mini deluxe sample, if you will. And the full size is $14. So I'm going to call this $7. So that's great. A nice mini mascara. You can't go wrong with a mascara. Next up, we have a deluxe sample of Livido Inspired by Nature Aromatic Body Lotion. And I always need a lotion for my purse. Always. And this decadent body lotion will not only nourish and hydrate your skin, but also leaves behind the sweet and earthy fragrance of patchouli and vanilla. Ooh, I love both of those. Formulated with organic shea butter, aloe, and jojoba, the soothing cream will have your skin feeling smooth and supple in no time. Full size is $19. Deluxe sample, I'm going to call it $6. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, this is what I chose. I chose some tweezers from Wing Me. There's got to be a little top that goes, here's a little top that goes with it. And it's always good to have an extra pair of tweezers around, and I tweeze my brows all the time to keep my beautiful shape in shape. And this is $14. All right, so that's cool. That's what I chose for my bag. This is Beauty for Real Liquid Eyeshadow in Moon Dance. It doesn't get prettier than this glistening pearly beige shade. One swipe of this multi-dimensional liquid eyeshadow will have you shining bright into the night. Plus, ultra long wear formula means you don't have to worry about touch-ups or creasing. MSRP, $24. This is full size. Amazing. That is Fantastica. Ooh, this is from This Works, and This Works makes lots of really great products. And this is the Evening Detox Cleansing Water. The detoxifying cleanser is strong enough to effectively remove dirt and impurities from your day, but gentle enough for sensitive skin. Packed with sweet almond oil, organic aloe vera, and licorice root, it leaves you with a clean canvas ready to conquer the world. And the full size is $33. So I'm going to call this about $7. And then we still have Nothing left. That's it. So our value today was $58 with my estimations. And usually you can get a value of up to $70 with this. So we got the cleansing stuff, we got the mascara, we got the tweezers, I couldn't think of the word, the liquid eyeshadow full size, and the lotion, and then my add-on was this fantastic eye gel. So very cool, very nice, $58 value, not too shabby for my Boxy Charm, no, for my Ipsy Glam bag. Pretty good, and it all fits in this adorable bag. So I want to thank you so much for being with me here today. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I'll see you real soon.